What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're here live again this morning to talk about Euro USD. It's been a while that I posted some videos because I have some things to put in place, but let's get down to business. So, this morning we're here to talk about Euro USD and Great Britain Pound USD. From what I could say right now is that USD is on fire right now. USD has fully found its momentum. It's really, moving the market. It's doing its thing. USD is really gaining the stability as we speak, which is a very good thing. You get it? So as it is like this, USD it has really, to me, if I'm to say, I'll say it has broken all the resistance. So since it has broken the resistance, it's gonna move, and it's definitely going to retrace or back. You get it? So this is what I see here. This is what I see here. It's going to move up to like this extent, and from the things that I could see as well, it's definitely going to come up again from here. Something like this, at least from what I could see. You know, so from what I can see, USD is definitely going to be something like this. Yeah, so it's definitely going to be something like this. Yeah, but it might range a little bit within these lines, but USD is definitely going to, it's definitely going to retrace. It's definitely going to retrace. But from this kind of price action strategy that I could see, I think USD will beat it down a little bit more. USD will definitely beat it down a little bit more, maybe up to like this very point, 1.1497. You get it? So it's possible for USD to beat it up to that point, this 1.1497 too. It is very possible for USD to beat it to that point. But from what I could see in this place, USD has gained its stability and momentum now. You understand? But how strong it is, we can't determine yet, but at least it's strong. Because what's gonna make USD pull against Great Britain pound and euro? So forget it. Definitely USD has gained the momentum of the market, which is a very good thing. You get it? So, but from the things that I could see right now, you just have to like trade safe and trade wise. You just don't jump to the market and say you want to trade, because USD has really formed some downtrending momentum candle as it is like this, and it started from the bullish candle in the first place. The bullish candle that end like I think on Friday or Thursday. This very bullish candle end I think like on Tuesday last week. You get it? Because this Wednesday, this Thursday, this Friday, and no, it's this bullish candle happened last week Monday. You get it? But from what I could see here, these two candles indicate that it's a downtrend. But how strong it is, it doesn't prove. But from here, it start proving some strength. You understand? And from the other hand, it proved some strength as well. USD was able to like push it down, even up till this morning, which is still pushing. You understand? So it has break some major resistance here. So as it is like this, to me, the crusade is coming down, because right now, this is what I said earlier. I said USD is on fire as we speak. So definitely it is on fire, and it's really going up, boom, boom, bang, bang of a thing. So, so this is what I'll say. Let's just see some things here. Let's just see some retracement power here. You get it? So USD is gonna come down, just like we've been saying. It's gonna come down, but it ain't gonna come much. It ain't gonna come much. Take it a little bit. It ain't gonna come much. So when it gets to this very point, it's possible for USD to reverse. It's possible for the bullish side of the market to pick it up, which I believe it will. It will pick it up. Let's say when it get to this very point, maximum 1.15755, it's definitely going to retrace. it's definitely going to retrace. And when it retraces, it means, euro will take power. So as it is like this for now, I'm in the market already. Don't let me deceive you. I'm in the market already. But as it is like this, to trade now, you just have to go all the way down trending market. You get it? So when it comes to euro, USD, or Great Britain pound, USD, or any other remaining part of the second seven major currency pair. So as it is like this, you know, every other remaining part of the seven major currency pair, what is happening, what that side is definitely telling you, that is telling me, is that the market have a momentum and have a stability of reversal as it is. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how the market plays today. Let's see how it goes. But from me, I'm in the market already, just like I said. I'm in the buy section. I'm in the buy section of the market as we speak. So the market is still going down, and I believe it's still going. So, but it's definitely going to retrace, but not now, not this week. I don't see it retracing next week, because from what I can see here, USD has taken over the market. So let's go to Great Britain pound USD. So this is Great Britain pound USD. You can see it's so clear that it's a downtrend. USD is really pushing it. USD is really doing its thing. USD is really proving itself in the market, which is a very good thing. USD, it's really taking control, which is a very better thing. So this market, the momentum was formed last week, and it indicates a downtrending market. So since it's formed last week and it indicated downtrending market, so you could see this very one. It ends, as a pin bar. You get it? It ends as a very solid pin bar here. But this pin bar is not enough, because it has already given some kind of momentum, some kind of reversal momentum. Like almost a week. In 1 week, it forms a reversal momentum, which is, I think it started forming the reversal momentum 2 weeks ago, mid of 2 weeks ago, till the end of last week. It forms a reversal momentum. But right now, yesterday, Monday, the market, the Great Britain pound, the USD took charge of the Great Britain pound. Today, it has already indicated another downtrend. So if the market ends in this very point, tomorrow is still going to indicate another downtrend, because this market is a straight up downtrend. So if anybody want to trade, I would just advise the person to go into the market, and trade, just trade sell when it comes to Euro USD. You get it? So when it comes to Euro USD, just trade sell. So this is what I'll say. Okay. So everyone, if you want to trade, please trade wise, trade safe. Don't be greedy. Be extra calculative. Just don't jump into the market that you want to trade. This market requires some skills. So I'm not saying you can't get anybody that will teach you the skills overnight, but you really have to be knowledgeable in this kind of market. You can see the trend line of the resistance. The resistance trend line, the strong resistance USD has broken. So since it has broken, this one is coming down, and it's gonna come down till at least something like 1.28268. Once it comes to that moment, once it comes to that part, it will retrace back up from what I can see. So I'm definitely gonna put this candle somewhere here. I'm definitely gonna put this. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm definitely gonna put this candle, the place that I see that the candle at least might reverse. Not might, it will definitely reverse there. So I'm definitely gonna put the candle. The candle right now is at 1.27460. So as the candle is there, man, don't let me deceive you. The USD is definitely going to retrace up to that point before it takes a reversal up again. You get it? And if it didn't, if it will have, if euro, let's just say Great Britain pound has some kind of strength, if it reverse minimum, if it reverse maximum, if it wants to like reverse minimum, then Great Britain pound will take a reversal from, it will form reversal momentum from something like this very point, like 1.29291. You get it? But the first point that I put it, I believe USD is definitely going to get there. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, okay? Let's see how it goes. But if you want to trade today, tomorrow, this week, please, it's a downtrend trading. I'm trading downtrend throughout this week. That is Great Britain pound USD, Euro USD. It's a downtrend for me that I'm trading throughout this week. So if you want to trade, if you feel like trading, you know, just please just come to the market and trade. You know, sell, Great Britain pound USD sell, Euro USD sell. So this is what I trade. I'm not like saying that I'm not telling anybody to trade the kind of pattern that I trade. But if you feel like you want to trade in my pattern, or if you feel like you want to like you want us to come together and learn from each other, I'm 100% with you guys. You get it? So, but to me this week, I'm trading all the way sell. So people, it's really nice talking to you today, and you know, just trade safe, be wise, don't be greedy, and have a good one, people. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. It might be today, it might be tomorrow, but I'll see you in my next result video that I'll analyze. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Thanks everyone for watching my daily forecast forex trading video. I really appreciate it. Please, if you feel like asking me any question, please drop it on any of my social media pages and I'll definitely get back to you. If the question is so pressing, please, you could give me a call on Skype any day, anytime after IFX. I'll definitely pick up your call and we'll talk it through. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could add me on any of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll definitely appreciate it. Thanks everyone. Have a good one and trade safe.